Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will analyze and troubleshoot Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, P0721, P077C, and P077D that are relevant to the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. DTC P0721 signifies a performance issue with the Vehicle Network Communication, VNC, related to the NOUT signal. P077C and P077D indicate potential electrical faults characterized by short circuits to ground or battery, respectively. Understanding these codes is crucial as they are linked to the automatic transmission AT system and primarily involve electrical circuit malfunctions. Mechanical issues within the transmission do not cause these codes, indicating a clear electrical fault path. This session will provide a detailed troubleshooting guide to identify and rectify these errors effectively, enhancing vehicle performance and ensuring safety on the road. The error codes P0721, P07C, and P077D specifically relate to failures in the Vehicle Network Communication, VNC signals, particularly the NOUT signal. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, which is responsible for managing the automatic transmission's functionality and performance, is heavily involved in this communication. The sensors that relay data to the TCM also play a vital role. Located within the vehicle wiring harness, these sensors must relay accurate data to ensure proper transmission function. An electrical circuit problem is indicated when these codes appear, meaning troubleshooting should focus on wiring and connectors rather than mechanical malfunctions in the transmission. Recognizing the components and their locations is essential for effective diagnostics and repairs. The possible causes for these DTCs can be broken down into electrical circuit issues. An open circuit in the wiring could suggest that the connection between the sensor unit and the TCM has been disrupted. This interruption may prevent signal transmission, leading to performance issues. A short to ground could mean that one of the wires has made unintended contact with the vehicle's frame, causing inaccurate voltage readings. Similarly, a short to battery indicates a fault that connects directly to the power supply, which can overload the circuit. Each of these issues directly impacts the functionality of the NOUT signal, leading to the corresponding DTCs being triggered. Understanding these causes helps in pinpointing the specific area that requires attention during troubleshooting. Symptoms associated with these DTCs can vary, but typically involve noticeable transmission performance issues. Drivers may experience erratic shifting patterns, indicating that the transmission is not operating within expected parameters. Additionally, the dashboard might illuminate warning lights corresponding to these DTCs, signaling a fault that requires attention. These symptoms can often lead to a reduction in vehicle drivability, impacting not only comfort, but also safety during operation. It's vital to address these symptoms immediately to avoid further damage to the transmission system. Being aware of these signs ensures prompt response to potential faults, enabling preventative measures before serious complications arise. The first step in troubleshooting involves verifying the existence of the stated DTCs. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which allows the vehicle's systems to initialize. Subsequently, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear any existing DTCs. This step effectively resets the systems and prepares for a fresh diagnostic test. Following the clearing of DTCs, test drive the vehicle for several minutes, ensuring to replicate the conditions as indicated by any freeze frame data. This simulated environment can help determine whether the fault persists. After the test drive, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS once again. This verification stage is crucial for accurate diagnostics, helping to confirm that the problem is indeed replicable. In troubleshooting Step 2, the focus shifts to checking the integrity of the wiring associated with the NOUT and Voltage Common Circuit 2, VCC2. Begin by turning the vehicle to the off or lock mode to ensure safety during the inspection. Disconnect the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector to isolate the circuit. With these connectors disconnected, you will now check for continuity between specific test points within these connectors. Test point 1 involves the TCM subharness 26P connector number 22, and test point 2 is the TCM 58P connector number 43. A similar continuity test is conducted between another pair of points. This check allows you to determine if the wiring is open and if repairs are needed. If continuity is present, it signals that the wiring is intact. Hence, you can proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Step 3 of troubleshooting requires checking for any shorted wires within the NOUT and VCC2 circuits. Start by ensuring the vehicle is still in the off or lock position for safety. With the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector still disconnected, conduct continuity tests between specific terminals and the vehicle body ground. This process helps to identify if any wire has unintentionally made contact with the vehicle structure, which would indicate a short to ground. If continuity is found between any terminals and ground, it points to a malfunction needing repair. Conversely, if no continuity exists, this suggests the wiring is intact, and the next step would involve replacing the sensor unit, as it may be defective. This structured approach aids in isolating and rectifying specific wiring issues. Once all necessary repairs have been made, it's imperative to perform a final verification to ensure everything is functioning correctly. This step begins with rechecking the DTC codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Ensure that all previously existing codes have been cleared and do not reappear. Following this, conduct a thorough road test to replicate driving conditions that originally triggered the diagnostic codes. Pay close attention to the vehicle's transmission performance during this test, as any abnormalities might signal that the repair was insufficient. If all systems operate normally with no return of DTCs, it's confirmed that the issue has been resolved. This final verification step is crucial to ensure that everything is functioning optimally before considering the vehicle safe to return to the road. Preventive maintenance is an essential aspect of ensuring the longevity and reliability of the vehicle's automatic transmission system. Regular inspections of the electrical connections and wiring harness associated with the TCM can help catch potential issues before they escalate into serious problems. Additionally, monitoring for signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion in the wiring can save both time and cost associated with repairs. By being proactive with inspection routines, you are more likely to prevent intermittent failures that could lead to system malfunctions. Keeping connections clean and secure will further enhance the reliability of the electrical systems. Strong preventive measures can significantly contribute to a smoother journey and ensure optimal vehicle performance. In conclusion, the troubleshooting of DTCs P0721, P077C, and P077D emphasizes the importance of understanding and addressing electrical faults within the vehicle's transmission system. These DTCs highlight specific wiring-related issues rather than mechanical failures, guiding technicians to focus their diagnostic efforts appropriately. By systematically following the outlined troubleshooting steps, including verifying the problem, checking continuity, and being vigilant about preventive maintenance, you ensure not only effective repairs, but also longevity for the vehicle's components. Regular inspections of wiring and connectors become crucial in safeguarding against potential faults. Ultimately, understanding these diagnostic codes and addressing them promptly leads to greater vehicle reliability and driver safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.